In this video, you will practice pronouncing the second variant of Ge'ez alphabet. The second variant of Ge'ez alphabet is formed by adding the vowel U after the base or the first variant consonant. For example, by adding U vowel to the base variant or the first variant of the consonant L, Ge'ez alphabet L, now we get the second variant of the consonant L, Lu. This is the second variant of Ge'ez consonant L. So the first was L, now we get the second Lu. Let's practice to pronounce the second variant of Ge'ez alphabet. Hu, Lu, Hu, Mu, Su, Ru, Su, Ku, Bu, Tu, Hu, Nu, U, Ku, Wu, U, Zu, Yu, Du, Gu, Tu, Pu, Tsu, Tsu, Fu, Pu,